Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to another exciting edition of Struggles for Survival Lesson 5 with your host, me, Mrs. Inman. All right, what you need to succeed today is, of course, your mentor text, a pencil, and a highlighter. Let's get started. Okay, so today our learning goals are I can identify the theme and describe the connection between multiple themes in a text. So, when we talk about theme is a big idea and the author's attitude toward it. Theme can act as a moral or lesson for real life. It's usually unstated. We must infer it from the details. So they don't usually come out and say, hey, the theme of this is blah, blah, blah. You have to read within the text to determine what the theme is. The theme can usually be summarized in a phrase or a sentence. It's not usually some big, long, drawn-out paragraph. And then a theme can express how the speaker or narrator reflects on a topic. So some common themes that I have at the bottom here are money cannot buy happiness, power corrupts those who have it, be careful what you wish for, hard work pays off. Those are just some themes that maybe some of you have heard before. Okay. So if you take a look right here in this first paragraph, it talks about Thorir. He was extremely tired. Vikings do get tired inevitably, but Thorir was a unique case. He couldn't stop being a hero. He went on more sea voyages than anyone else in the village, and he accepted any dangerous mission that came to his attention. His father, Jarl, grew concerned that these heroics would cost his son his life. He expressed his worries to Thorstein, who was Thorir's elder brother. Could he make his brother come to his senses before it was too late? So Thorstein knew the remedy. His brother needed a baby. Okay? Obviously, we know Thorir is a hero. Okay? He's so heroic that his father worries about him. Okay? So then down at the bottom, I have underlined, you must adopt. Oops. So our theme is even heroes need help sometimes. Because like it's showing, his father's worried, his older brother's worried, and so they figured they would help him. And they help him by saying he needs a baby. All right, so your turn. Here's what I want you to do. Take a look at the picture and read page 9. Now, how can you infer the author's big idea on this page? Okay, I know we talked about this in a previous lesson, just about the tone or the mood. So what can you infer or figure out about the author's idea, big idea on just this page? Okay, think about all the events in the text. What theme can you identify as one for the whole entire text? Okay, so pause here for 5 minutes, take your time, look it over, and write down what you can infer about the theme. Okay, go ahead. Welcome back. All right, so, sorry, moving myself around. So we've got, I've never seen many mother Vikings on voyages. I used to wonder why, but now I know. You get awfully tired. And it's talking about the paragraph in parentheses or in the brackets is talking about how Thorkel didn't sleep. Thorir didn't either. Thorkel had to learn to walk and eat and speak. He had to be trained, and Thorir was responsible for all of this. So we can determine here that raising a child is hard work, right? And the theme, you could have said something like, people who raise children are heroes. That could be your theme. What else did you come up with for a theme? Oh, really? All right. So here I want you to evaluate your learning. Are you a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1? Go ahead and write that in your mentor text. I can identify the theme and describe the connection between multiple themes in a text. We will also be working on this more, identifying theme. All right. Good job. I will see you tomorrow.